When you were a little kid, did you learn how to ride a bike? Did you learn how to do long division or learn the capital cities of different countries? How about learning how to drive a car when you were a little older, or learning how to do laundry? We use the term learning all the time in everyday life, but within the field of educational psychology, the term learning is actually a specific term. Different people use different words to define learning within educational psychology, but in general, we're talking about a step-by-step process in which an individual experiences permanent, lasting changes in knowledge, behaviors, or ways of processing the world. Let's go.
Ay, nako! Nakapagod na ako. Prelims, palang nakakapagod na. Midterm ko, ang daming chapter. 4, 5, and 6. Sige, numbers muna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ling, and then, Earth, Sun, Sea, Moon. Earth, Sun, Sea, Moon. Ayun, madali. Tapos na ako. Ano naman, conversation. Ano kaya ito? Ito, hindi na ako. Ni how are you? Good morning. Ito naman ito. Ano ba itong good morning? Dito ko lagi dito eh. Xiao, hang, shang. Shangri-La. How, ito. How, di karabal. Hindi. Ano ito? Turo nga kay James. James, paano ba ito? Paturo nga kami itong Mandarin. Kasi hindi ko mabasa eh. Ang labo. Ayun. Sabi, Xiao, Shang. Pero feeling ko mali yung Xiao eh, hindi Zay.
Para saan ba yan? Ba't ka nag-aaral niya?
Isang lang bukas sa Monday kasi sobrang talagang lipit na ako eh. Absent ako.
Hindi ko alam yan eh. Nag-aaral ako eh.
Ano ba yan?
Ano? Biosci.
Kaya nag-examid yan.
Bukas din eh. Hirap mo 90 items.
Grabe naman.
Paturo ka na sa Hazel. Kay Hazel pag dumating.
Sana dito si Hazel.
Sensya na.
Nasaan na kaya si Hazel? Check ko kaya. Pero sana mo. Hindi ba? Nakabagsak na ako dito. Ako nagpag-aasal.
Oh, si Hazel oh.
Ay, oo nga eh. Hazel, napadaan ka.
Bakit? Oo,
Basta.
Ginagawa niyo dito?
Nag-aaral kami. Nag-aaral ng biosci. Ako, Manda, exam ko bukas eh.
Oh.
Hindi magpaturo ako. Papalinsit ka naman. Ito oh. Kasi ito, how are you? How, di ba? Pero yung pagdating ko sa good morning, Zao, feeling ko hindi Zao ang pronounce eh. Kasi sabi ng Chow, parang gano'n. Chow na aso. Hindi ko alam eh.
Chow. Basa dyan.
Chow. Tapos, ano yun? Chow siya?
Oo, chow siyang. How.
Oh. Ano yun? How? How
Okay,
talaga
how.
yun?
Oo, how.
Kala ko yung aso na how eh.
Ano ba bang problema mo dyan?
Uy, Hazel!
Ah,
Mukaw.
sige, okay lang.
Dito na.
Ay, iba kaya naman.
Ano ba bang...
How do we learn? There are two learning activities in the learning cycle. The first is the perception. Perception is what you understand about the information you get, while the second one is the processing. Processing is what will you do about the information you have gathered. There are 4 quadrants representing the learning processes. The first one is the converging, where you relate different point of view about the information to find a single answer. The second one is the diverging, where you relate or generate different experiences. The third one is assimilation. Assimilation is learning something so that you can fully understand and that new knowledge can be used. And the last one is accommodating, where you relate the new knowledge from your experiences and beliefs.
So, ano rapanan? May natutunan ka na ba?
Oo naman.
O, ikaw?
Ano mo tutunong ngayon?
O, ano nga?
Ikaw!
O, ikaw rapanan?
Xiaoan!
Chow!
Good morning!
Hapon na kaya? Dapat buwan?
Na ganun ba kasi nakabukas pa ilaw eh.
Siraon. Buwan!
Ah, ganun ba yun?
Oo.
Oh, sige.
Okay na.